say I wake up at 6 and I stand up from bed at 6:10?
Yes, sometimes. I know wake up, but I am not sure about get up. Are they the same?
Great question. They are related, but they are not exactly the same. And if you want to speak natural English about your morning, you need more than one phrasal verb.
So today is not only wake up.
Exactly. Today, you will learn at least 5 useful phrasal verbs connected to waking up and morning routines.
Nice. I want to talk about my morning more naturally.
Welcome to our Phrasal Verbs series. Today's topic is wake up. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use wake up, get up, sleep in, wake someone up, and doze off.
These sound very useful for daily life.
They are. You can use them when you talk about your morning, your alarm, your family, your sleep, and even your tired moments during the day.
I always need those words.
Let's start with the main phrasal verb, wake up.
Okay, what does wake up mean?
Wake up means to stop sleeping. Your eyes open, your mind becomes active, and you are not sleeping anymore.
So wake up is about stopping sleep.
Correct. For example, I wake up at 6 every morning.
That means my sleep ends at 6.
Exactly. Use wake up when you talk about the time your sleep ends.
Can I say I wake up my bed at 6?
No, that is a wrong example. Don't say I wake up my bed. Natural English is I wake up at 6.
Wrong. I wake up my bed at 6. Natural. I wake up at 6.
Perfect. Here's another wrong example. I wake up in 6 o'clock.
Ah, that sounds like a common mistake.
Yes, natural English is I wake up at 6 o'clock. We use at for time.
So I should say I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Exactly. Now let's hear a short conversation. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30, but on weekends I wake up later.
I wake up early on weekdays, but I wake up late on Sundays.
Very natural. Now repeat after me.
I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 6.
I usually wake up early.
I usually wake up early.
I woke up late today.
I woke up late today.
Good. Notice the past tense. Wake up becomes woke up.
Wake up, woke up.
Yes. Now let's move to the second phrasal verb, get up.
This one confuses me.
Many learners feel the same. Wake up means your sleep ends. Get up means you leave your bed.
Oh, so I can wake up, but not get up.
Exactly. Maybe your alarm rings at 6, you wake up, but you stay in bed and check your phone. Then you get up at 6:20.
That sounds like me. I wake up early, but I don't get up immediately.
Perfect sentence. Use get up when you talk about leaving the bed and starting your day.
So wake up is eyes open. Get up is body out of bed.
Exactly. Wrong example, I get up my eyes at 6.
That sounds wrong.
Natural example, I wake up at 6 and get up at 6:15.
Wake up at 6, get up at 6:15. Very clear.
Another wrong example, I wake up from the bed at 6:15.
What should I say?
Say, I get up at 6:15.
Got it.
Short conversation time. What time do you get up?
I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:20.
Why do you stay in bed?
Because I feel sleepy and I check my phone.
Very natural. Now repeat after me. I get up at 6:30.
I get up at 6:30.
I don't get up immediately.
I don't get up immediately.
I woke up early, but I got up late.
I woke up early, but I got up late.
Excellent. Remember, wake, woke, get, got.
Wake, woke, get, got.
Great. Now let's learn the third phrasal verb, sleep in.
This one I've heard before. Does it mean sleep inside?
Good guess, but no. Sleep in means to sleep later than usual, especially in the morning.
So if I usually wake up at 6, but today I wake up at 9, I slept in.
Exactly. You can say, I slept in today.
Is it common on weekends?
Very common. People often say, I like to sleep in on weekends.
Nice. So sleep in is useful for Saturday and Sunday.
Yes. Wrong example, I sleep late in weekend.
What is natural?
Say, I sleep in on weekends.
Sleep in on weekends.
Another wrong example, I woke up late on Sunday.
Okay, slept in sounds more natural when I mean I stayed asleep longer.
Exactly. Short conversation. Why didn't you answer my message this morning?
Sorry, I slept in. I didn't wake up until 10.
Lucky you. I had to get up at 6.
That is a very natural conversation. Now repeat after me.
I slept in today.
I slept in today.
I like to sleep in on Sundays.
I like to sleep in on Sundays.
Don't sleep in tomorrow. We have a meeting.
Don't sleep in tomorrow. We have a meeting.
Excellent. Now let's review the first 3 quickly.
Wake up means stop sleeping.
Good.
Get up means leave the bed.
Correct.
Sleep in means sleep later than usual.
Perfect. Let's continue in part 2 with 2 more useful phrasal verbs and more speaking practice.
Welcome back. In part 1, we learned wake up, get up, and sleep in.
Wake up means stop sleeping. Get up means leave the bed. Sleep in means sleep later than usual.
Excellent review. Now let's learn phrasal verb number 4, wake someone up.
Is this different from wake up?
Yes, wake up can be something you do by yourself. For example, I wake up at 6, but wake someone up means to make another person stop sleeping.
Like my alarm wakes me up?
Exactly. You can say, my alarm wakes me up every morning.
Can I say my mother wakes up me?
Good try, but that word order is not natural. The natural sentence is, my mother wakes me up.
So with a person, we put the person in the middle. Wakes me up, wakes him up, wakes her up.
Correct. Very important. Say, wake me up, not wake up me.
Wake me up, wake him up, wake her up.
Great. Wrong example. Please wake up me at 7.
Natural. Please wake me up at 7.
Perfect. Another wrong example. The noise woke up me.
Natural. The noise woke me up.
Excellent. Use wake someone up when an alarm, noise, person, baby, phone call, or dream makes someone stop sleeping.
Like, the baby woke me up at midnight.
Very natural. Short conversation. Did your alarm wake you up this morning?
No, my brother woke me up. He was so loud.
Oh no. What time did he wake you up?
He woke me up at 5:30. Too early.
Great conversation. Now repeat after me. Please wake me up at 7.
Please wake me up at 7.
My alarm wakes me up every morning.
My alarm wakes me up every morning.
The noise woke me up.
The noise woke me up.
The baby woke us up last night.
The baby woke us up last night.
Excellent. Now let's learn phrasal verb number 5, doze off.
Doze off. What does that mean?
To doze off means to fall asleep for a short time, often without planning to.
Like when I am watching TV and suddenly sleep?
Exactly. You can say, I dozed off while watching TV.
So it means I accidentally fell asleep?
Yes, it often happens when you are tired, bored, or relaxed.
Can it happen in class?
Yes, but be careful. You can say, I almost dozed off during the meeting.
Very useful.
Wrong example. I slept off in the meeting.
Natural.
I dozed off during the meeting.
Another one.
Wrong. I was doze off. Natural. I dozed off.
So the past tense is dozed off.
Correct. Short conversation. Did you finish the movie last night?
No, I dozed off after 10 minutes.
Really? Was the movie boring?
No, I was just very tired.
That sounds natural. Now repeat after me. I dozed off on the sofa.
I dozed off on the sofa.
I almost dozed off during the meeting.
I almost dozed off during the meeting.
She dozed off while reading a book.
She dozed off while reading a book.
Great. Now let's add one bonus phrasal verb, stay up.
Stay up. Is this connected to waking up?
Yes, stay up means to not go to bed. You remain awake later than usual.
Like, I stayed up late last night?
Perfect. If you stay up late, maybe you wake up late the next morning.
Ah, so they are connected.
Exactly. Wrong example. I stayed late up.
Natural. I stayed up late.
Correct. Another wrong example. I stayed up until late night.
Natural. I stayed up late. Or I stayed up until midnight.
Good. Short conversation. Why are you so tired today?
I stayed up late watching videos.
What time did you go to bed?
Around 1 a.m. That's why I couldn't wake up early.
Very natural. Repeat after me. I stayed up late.
I stayed up late.
Don't stay up too late tonight.
Don't stay up too late tonight.
I stayed up until midnight.
I stayed up until midnight.
Excellent. Now let's do a quick review of all 6 phrasal verbs from today.
6? I thought we needed 5.
Yes, we learned 5 main ones plus 1 bonus. More practice, more natural English.
Great.
Number 1, wake up, meaning to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 6.
Number 2, get up, meaning to leave the bed. Example, I get up at 6:15.
I get up at 6:15.
Number 3, sleep in, meaning to sleep later than usual. Example, I slept in on Sunday.
I slept in on Sunday.
Number 4, wake someone up, meaning to make another person stop sleeping. Example, my alarm wakes me up.
My alarm wakes me up.
Number 5, doze off, meaning to accidentally fall asleep for a short time. Example, I dozed off on the sofa.
I dozed off on the sofa.
Bonus, stay up, meaning to not go to bed, especially late at night. Example, I stayed up late.
I stayed up late.
Now let's practice a full morning story using these phrasal verbs. Listen first.
Okay.
Last night, I stayed up late because I was watching a movie. This morning, my alarm woke me up at 6, but I didn't get up immediately. I stayed in bed for 20 minutes. On weekends, I usually sleep in, but today I had work, so I got up quickly.
That story sounds very natural.
Now, let's make it easier. Repeat after me, one sentence at a time. Last night, I stayed up late.
Last night, I stayed up late.
My alarm woke me up at 6.
My alarm woke me up at 6.
I didn't get up immediately.
I didn't get up immediately.
On weekends, I usually sleep in.
On weekends, I usually sleep in.
I almost dozed off after breakfast.
I almost dozed off after breakfast.
Excellent. Now, here is your challenge.
I'm ready.
Write 3 sentences in the comments using today's phrasal verbs. Use this pattern. Sentence 1, what time do you wake up? Sentence 2, what time do you get up? Sentence 3, do you sleep in on weekends?
For example, I wake up at 6:30. I get up at 6:45. I sleep in on Sundays.
Perfect. And if you want a bigger challenge, use all 6 phrasal verbs in a short story.
Like, I stayed up late, so I slept in. My mother woke me up, but I almost dozed off again.
Excellent. That is natural English.
Today's lesson was very useful. I understand the difference between wake up and get up now.
Great. Remember, don't only memorize one phrasal verb. Learn related phrasal verbs together. That helps you speak faster and more naturally.
Wake up, get up, sleep in, wake me up, doze off, stay up.
Exactly. If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your 3 practice sentences below.
And don't forget to repeat the examples out loud. Speaking practice is important.
Yes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next phrasal verbs lesson.
See you next time. Don't stay up too late.